Hi friends, this video shows how to turn off sounds. Open settings, tap on this settings app icon, then select sound, tap on sound, then go down. So here we can see dial pad tones, screen locking sound, charging sounds and vibration, touch sounds, then touch vibration. So we can control all these settings here. So if you don't want dial pad tones, we can disable here. Screen locking sound, let me disable. Charging sounds and vibration, I am going to disable that. Touch sounds, let me disable. So this way we can disable all sounds here. So if you want to enable, just again tap here and enable it. So this way we can control sounds. Okay, so please try this.